In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a PowerPoint presentation into Google Slides quickly and easily. Whether you received a PowerPoint file from a colleague, downloaded a template online, or created one in Microsoft PowerPoint yourself, converting it to Google Slides allows you to edit, share, and collaborate online for free. The entire process takes just a few minutes, and I'll walk you through it step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. This will take you to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want the converted Google Slides file to be saved. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in before moving to the next step. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on File Upload. This option allows you to upload files directly from your computer into your Google Drive storage. After clicking File Upload, a file browser window will open on your computer. Now locate the PowerPoint file you want to convert. This file will usually have a .ppt or .pptx extension. Select the file, then click Open. Your file will immediately begin uploading to Google Drive. Depending on the size of your presentation and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds to a minute. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the PowerPoint file appear inside your Google Drive. Now here's the key step to converting it. Right-click on the uploaded PowerPoint file. A context menu will appear with several options. From that menu, hover over Open With. Another small menu will expand to the side. In that expanded menu, click on Google Slides. As soon as you click Google Slides, Google will automatically create a new Google Slides version of your PowerPoint file and open it in a new tab. At this point, your file has been converted. You are now working inside Google Slides instead of PowerPoint. The formatting, images, text, and transitions will usually carry over very well, although in some cases you may notice small formatting differences. If that happens, you can quickly adjust fonts, spacing, or image placement directly inside Google Slides. Now, very important, the file that just opened is a new Google Slides file. Your original PowerPoint file will still remain in your Google Drive unless you delete it. If you want to avoid confusion, you can rename the new Google Slides file by clicking on the title at the top left and giving it a clear name. If you want this file to always open as Google Slides in the future, you can also convert it permanently. To do that, while the file is open in Google Slides, click on File in the top menu, then click Save as Google Slides if that option appears. This ensures you are working with a fully native Google Slides format. One of the biggest advantages of converting your PowerPoint to Google Slides is collaboration. You can now click the Share button in the top right corner and invite others to view, comment, or edit the presentation in real time. There's no need to email large attachments back and forth. And that's it. That's exactly how you convert a PowerPoint file into Google Slides using Google Drive. It's quick, simple, and doesn't require any extra software installations. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.